Are you a boy or a girl?
Well, if it's a dress.
What's the other name with that? Brad. Oh, it said it again. It said Brad again. So Brad, are you the one that has the baby dress?
Brad, are you the one with the baby dress?
It's mine.
You said that.
You said it's mine.
Is that Brad?
Thank you. It's Bradley. Oh God, there it goes. Do you have anything else you want to say to us before we leave? Bye. Wow.
Awesome.
Wow, it said bye. I didn't even get the words out.
Wow.
Okay, if you're here, and we know you are, will you please tell me what your name is? Because it said Eva earlier. What did it just say? Eva. Hi, Eva.
Hi, Eva.
I'm so glad to meet you.
Is Eva your mom?
It said Eva again. Did you hear that?
I think I did too.
You can leave if you want.
It said get. Help. Just saying help. Who needs help? What's the name of this building?
Did you guys hear that? I swear I heard that.
I heard
it went Hoover House like perfectly. I heard that. I swear I heard that.
Can you say it again?
I just heard it again. I just heard it Hoover House. Could you point to where you are in this room?
Tell them how.
By moving these dowsing rods.
What did you say? Don't you love how
Okay, so I just researched this because I didn't know this. The name Bradley dates back to the 11th century as an Old English surname meaning broad meadow. Sorry. That was me! It transitioned into a given first name much later, becoming highly popular in the United States in the 1950s and 1990s. So Bradley dates back to the 11th century.
Well, that's what we got. So that's the baby dress.
Yeah,
Because the other one's a girl, so.
so a boy was in that gown, which
The
is
boy
makes
was in that
sense.
gown, yep.
Jeez, Kelly.
Just a joy.
The box did? Kellen.
Pam. Finally said her name. Pam. Said Pam. Just said it again. What color dress is yours? Blue or pink? Pink.
You heard that?
Said pink again. Thank you.
This is hers.
And your name is Eva? Did she say it was the pink one, I think?
Yeah, I remember saying hers pink.
Yeah, it said pink again. What are we having for lunch?
I swear I heard that. Like I swear.
We all swear.
Yeah. This one's smart.
Thank you. Do you want a piece? Oh.
I heard that too. I heard it yes really quick.
Well, you can have a piece. We'll save one for you. Steve. Just said Steve. Sometimes it takes him a while. Steve.
Steve, yeah.
I did.
Waynesboro. They just said Waynesboro.
Whisper. I heard that really I heard whispering.
We will save you a piece of pizza, okay?
Oh, you guys like pizza.
Yeah.
Yum! Did you hear
I
that?
heard that too.
This is awesome.
Did they ever make pizza in this kitchen?
Someone said I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See how that's different?
That
See
was
how that tone was
Super-
different?
yeah. Sometimes you have to wait.
You just,
guys.
yep, you just have to wait it out for something that's different.
Well, we're gonna say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Yep.
Yep. Yeah.
Bye.
I heard that. Yep. Bye.
Yep. Bye. Ask a question.
Are you tired like me?
Good question.
Yep. Did you guys hear that?
That was a quick yep.